What's going on, everybody? Dalton's Garage. Hope everyone's having a good day. I'm having a good day because it's a nice day out, nice and sunny. You can get a glimpse of the sun up there. It's not too bad. Woke up this morning, had an older gentleman message me. He said he had an old mini bike he wanted to sell me. He was watching my YouTube videos and he liked what he seen, thought he'd like to see his old mini bike get fixed up and get running. This is a Tecumseh 3.5 horsepower. It's the H35 model. Pretty much all original with the metal tank. It's not the original exhaust, but it'll do. He said it needed some rings, which I do believe it. The compression's real low and it doesn't have any spark currently, which I'm thinking a little bit of sandpaper on the flywheel and it'll probably fix that issue. Also included a spare clutch for this motor, and he included a 1/2-inch clutch with brass pads, which is kind of interesting. Throw that in there just for free, I guess. So got me thinking. I got this old 2 horsepower Briggs & Stratton out of the shed, and it's got a 1/2-inch clutch or a crank on it there. Pretty neat, and it actually runs, and it runs pretty good. So thinking I'm gonna start and just try and hook this up and get it running and see what the project, where it leads after that. It might just throw this one on the shelf, put some rings in it, and just hold on to it because it's kind of a collector's item. But without further ado, let me set this tripod up and start this little beast up here. See, sounds good. Hey everybody, you're on video. Watch what you say now. I'm not going to edit it all out for you. Alright, here we go. There we go, that would be nice. Here we go, we'll fire it up. Shouldn't have to choke it, I done had it ran earlier. Alrighty. Well, alrighty. Thanks for watching the little show and tell. It's about all the videos I can do. Showing and telling. Just because I like to show everybody what's new around the garage. So there it is. You seen it first, folks. Dalton's Garage signing out. We'll see you later. Happy hunting. Happy treasure picking, happy treasure finding. Hopefully you go out and find you something cool like this. Make a video on it and share it with everybody so we all, including myself, can check it out because we enjoy it. So thanks for watching.